Hey guys, it's Pauline. I got a couple of things that I picked up from Beall and okay, I guess it's all Bealls. Okay, so I did make two purchases, but it's the same day. So let me show you what I picked up. I thought that they had really cute stuff. So they have a lot of the Von Dutches, which I didn't know that they did. And so when I went in there, I picked this up. I tried to leave it, but I just couldn't do it. There is another one that it looks like a bowling bag. I thought that it was actually cuter, but I felt like for me it was less practical because it was just so small. And this is longer, and so I can get more stuff in it. The other one was like taller, but I didn't feel like I could get more stuff in it. I felt like I could get less stuff in it than this. So anyway, let's show you what this looks like. It comes with a charm chain, and I think it's so cute. I didn't really look at what this is supposed to be. I just saw it as charms. I don't know if this is supposed to... Oh, okay, so this is the name. I didn't know what this was. I didn't look at it too hard. I just thought it was cute. So it's the name of it, Von Dutch, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what the name of this one is. I thought it was a little pricey for Bealls, and I know it was a little pricey for this anyway, but this was $39. All right, so this is what it looks like, but it's super cute. I can see myself with some jeans. I think this is so cute. All right, and let's see what the inside looks like. So it is pink and white. It is kind of that silky-like material. So if you get anything on it, you will be able to wipe this out. So that's good. And it's got silver hardware. I like all that. And let's see, we got branding on the zipper pull. And it looks like you can take this charm off. And let's see, we got branding here. That's super cute. And we got a zipper back here. So this feels like a terry to me, you know. It may be a little bit bigger than a terry, but that's how I think of this. And then we got a slip pocket in the front. So that is super cute. So that's what I picked up. So this was in a bag pretty much by itself because I went back and picked this up. I looked at it, put it down, walked away from it, and then I just went back and got it. I was like, you know, who am I kidding? And then I picked this up. There is another one that had vitamin E, I think, and turmeric. I gave that to my son. He has acne scars. And this one I kept for myself. I don't know if it's any good, but I'm going to try it. So this is what I originally bought. I thought that this was super cute. They have a lot of Ed Hardy at my particular Bealls. And let's see what the name of this is. That's it. And it was $19.99, and I really like that price. But this was really cute on too. Still, this is what that looks like. This is what it looks like in the back. I walked around with it in the store. It is super lightweight, y'all. We got that faux suede going on, that velvet. We got a little bit of a charm, I guess. And I wonder if you're supposed to hang charms off of this. I'm not sure. But that's that. It feels like a really cute purse. And then we got a charm on the zipper pull. And then we got all this little real estate here. Got the Ed Hardy brand here. Now this is fabric. Very cute. And let's see. And that is what that looks like. I really like this. I think it's so pretty. Brown and pink is so cute together. And I love it. So you can see the sparkles. All right, so I picked that up. And then this, I have that cow hair purse. And then I picked up some cow hair shoes. And so I picked this up to see if it'll go with it. So let's see what the name of this one is. So let's see, I don't know where the other tags are. Oh, here we go. And it was $11.99. You can't beat that. I tried it on. It's pretty cute. But I got it to go with that. All right. And then I picked this up. This one, it's so cute. So I got that. I'm not sure what I'll wear with this, but I thought this was so cute. Let's see. $10.99. All right. So that is what I picked up at Bealls, guys. And I think I'll stop there because I have some Coach hauls from the July 1st drop. And so I think we'll stop there and then we'll go over those other drops. But anyway, that is what I picked up from Bealls, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.